Illy y3.2 Espresso and Coffee Machine, 12.20x 3.9x 10.40, black. Effortlessly prepare espresso and coffee with easy-to-use one-touch operation. Works with Illy iperEspresso capsules. Features 2 programmable coffee settings and adjusts to fit almost any cup size to ensure you can enjoy your espresso or coffee just the way you like it. With the Y3 blade you can enjoy both brewed coffee and espresso anytime you want. The 2 different capsules, brewed coffee and espresso, bring home the quality of barista-prepared coffee. Stylish and compact design makes it a perfect fit for any kitchen decor. Removable water tank, 25. 4 ounces, automatic ejection of used capsules drawer capacity, 7 capsules. Machine dimensions inches 3. 94 watts, x11. 73 D, x10, h. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.